Okay, you replace the second derivative by m squared, first derivative by m power 1. So y is m power 0. Okay, I said you can from here either you factor it or you can just directly using your scientific calculator. 1, negative 2, negative 8. So you have the first, okay, the first root is 4, second root is negative 2. Okay, normally I will write, okay, I will choose the smaller one belong to the coefficient a. So a, e, negative 2x plus b exponent 4x. So this is the first case. The first case where you got real and different roots. I think the solution wrong. Maybe the solution wrong. I might be check. Okay. So this is a general solution. And then you have to find the first derivative so that you can substitute the second initial condition. So you find the y prime, which is dy dx. So mean you d dx each term you have negative 2a exponent negative 2x plus 4b exponent 4x. Okay, plug in the first case initial condition y0 equal to 0. Mean when x 0, y equal to 0, you obtain, and plug in this one to here, 0. Exponent 0 is 1, so you get a plus b. Exponent 0 is 1, exponent 0 is 1. You have the first equation, a plus b equal to 0. Okay, later on, plug in the second initial condition into the y prime. And plug in second initial condition, y prime 0 equal to 1, which means when x equal to 0, y prime equal to 1. Okay, plug in this thing to here. Then you have y prime is 1. When x is 0, exponent will be 1. So you have negative 2a plus 4b. Okay, and you have two simultaneous equations to solve for a and b, 1 and 2. Okay, you are also allowed to directly use your scientific calculator to obtain a and b. Okay, I want go back mode. Number 5, you want to solve two simultaneous equations 1 and 2. So you can choose number 1. Key in the coefficient for your simultaneous equation. You have 1a plus 1b equal to 0. Okay, or I put it in this form, in the matrix form. You have 1, 1, okay, 0, negative 2, 4, 1. Okay, this is a linear system, okay? 1a plus 1b equal to 0. Negative 2a plus 4b equal to 1. So key in into your scientific calculator directly. So 1, 1, 0, negative 2, 4, 1. Okay, so it obtains a is negative 1 over 6. B is 1 over 6. B is positive. So plug in back A and B, you obtain particular solution. So your particular solution, A is negative 1 over 6 exponent negative 2x. Okay, B is positive 1 over 6 exponent 4x. got the solution here. If you expand this solution, it's actually negative 1 over 6 exponent negative 2x, negative positive 1 over 6 exponent negative 2x multiply exponent 6x, so exponent 4x. Same. So you got the same solution. So the solution there is in the factorization form. This is in the expansion form.